Hello there, my friends. I'm about to pull out what little hair I have left because I'm trying to use OBS to record my screen, and I've done everything I can do here. I've hit display capture. It's obviously not allowing me to do anything. It says no device is connected. So what's the problem? I think the problem is that I haven't allowed OBS to capture my screen. So I think what I have to do is go down here to Launchpad, go to System Preferences, go to Security and Privacy. Now I've given OBS permission to use my camera and my microphone. Here, screen recording. I did not give permission, so I'm going to highlight that. Oh, here I have to click the lock to make changes. And then I have to put my password in. This is such a pain in the you know what. I'm just going to change my password to like something really simple. Okay, unlock. Okay, now I can make changes. Now I can let OBS. OBS will not be able to record until it is quit. Okay, so I got quit OBS. All right, so that's done. And then reopen, and now OBS is recording my screen. That is so frustrating. Okay, so anybody else that's had this problem, go ahead and smash like if this helped you, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I will try to answer them because I'm trying to figure this stuff out, and it's like crazy. I know. I was a Windows user. I still am a Windows user, but this Mac stuff is like off the charts frustrating. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Hang in there, and don't let your Mac get you down. Okay? Thanks. Ay. Crying out loud. How do I... Why won't this work anymore? Nice. Okay. Escape. Thank you. Okay. Escape. Tab. No. Shift command. Escape. Arrow key. Control arrow. Desktop. There you go. How do I move my cursor without... iMac keyboard shortcut. Stop screen recording. Go. Command, Control,